Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 5 is again translate to an equation and solve, except this time it's going to have fractions on both sides. It says the sum of 3 and 1/5 of a number is 2/3 of the number subtracted from 14. So there's a lot of words going on in this problem. However, I'm going to follow my process. First, I'm going to find my equal sign. Here's the word is. So I know that's going to be my equal sign, and it's going to separate the expression on the left side from the expression on the right side. The expression on the left side says the sum of 3 and 1/5 of a number. So I'm going to look for the words than or from to see if there's a reversal, no than or from. Then I'm going to look for words like sum of, product of, different of, quotient of, in order to know that I have to open up a set of parentheses. And here I have the sum of. Sum of, then I look for the word and. That's the of and combination. So I know I'm adding together 3 and 1/5 of a number. And so that's going to be the phrase on the left side. It's going to be 3 and 1/5 of a number is 1/5 x. Now in this case, the sum is not being multiplied by anything on the outside. So I really don't need parentheses, but I always get in the habit of, if I see sum of, difference of, quotient of, I open up the set of parentheses and write my sum in there. The right side expression says 2/3 of the number subtracted from 14. Well, here's the word from, so I know there's going to be a switch. 2/3 of the number is written first in words, but will be written second in symbols. 2/3 of the number of indicates multiplication, so that's going to be minus 2/3 of the number would be x. Subtracted from 14. Well, the word 14 is written second in the expression, but the number 14 will be written first because of the word from. Now I have my equation. 3 plus 1/5 x equals 14 minus 2/3 x. Since there's fractions, I'm going to multiply both sides by the least common denominator, which in this case is 15. So 15 times 3 will be 45. 1/5 times 15, 5 divides into 15 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3x. And that will be equal to 14 minus 2/3 x times 15. 15 times 14 is 210. 3 divides into 15 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10x. So now I have to gather up my numbers on one side and my variables on the other. So I'm going to choose to add 10x to both sides in order to keep my variable term positive. 45, 3x plus 10x is 13x equals negative 10x plus 10x is 0. 0 plus 210 is 210. Now I have a two-step. Subtract 45 from both sides, divide by 13. So subtract 45 on both sides. Positive 45 minus 45 is 0. 0 plus 13x is 13x. And 210 minus 45 is 165. Divide both sides by 13 to make my coefficient equal to 1. 13 divided by 13 is 1x. And 165 divided by 13 is not a clean division, so I'll just express that as 165 over 13. So x will equal 165 over 13.